Hello everyone, myself Rishi Mokta, a member of the Sunbeam family Jupil. Today I have come up with a basic topic of English grammar, or we can say a topic or a part that we use in our spoken English. Let me introduce its name, that is question tags. I repeat, question tags. The question tags are used at the end of the statement. For example, she is a doctor, comma, isn't she? Question mark. You all might be thinking that as I have used question mark at the end of the statement, so it is a interrogative sentence. But no, it is a question tag. Let me clear question tag actually differ from the interrogative sentences. Let me explain the difference between them on the basis of their motives. First, interrogative sentences. The main motive of interrogative sentences is to take the information from the listener or the other person. For example, where Ram is playing? Question mark. So in this, you have the motive to know about the place where Ram is playing. Now let's come on the question tag. The main motive of question tag is to take the confirmation of the listener on the speaker's statement. For example, it is a lovely day, comma, isn't it? Question mark. Uh, so in this, the speaker want to say that the speaker have used the question tag at the end of the statement, that is, isn't it? By which the speaker want to take the confirmation of his or her statement, and that is, it is a lovely day. I hope it is clear to you. I also hope whoever is having a watch to this video finds it very easy to understand, as it is one of the basic thing that we actually use in our daily speaking. I have also attached some important contents at the end of my video, as it will prove very beneficial for you. Thank you.